with the search engine for online and dying over data science capacity. Not just was there a Google, there's also AOL, www.com from AOL, and Bing.com, Yahoo.com. And then it's YAHOO.com. And you can build your resumes, you can sign up for email, your own personal account with Yahoo, Google, AOL, and Bing, B-I-N-G. And AOL is spelled owl, like in a bird owl, the owl at night. And then you got your social media, such as MySpace, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, to stay in touch with your friends and family, or your colleagues, or your employees. And you got LinkedIn.com. And it's all by Oracle certified. All Oracle. And Oracle is the one who launched Marvel. That was, it's also at GameStop. And Walmart and Target. Marvel is.